How to earn points on Shein. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be talking about earning the points on Shein, so follow the simple steps. First of all, you have to go to the official website of Shein, that is shein.com, and once you reach there, make sure that you're logged into your specific account. Now click on this profile icon in the top right corner of the screen, and then go to My Points option, and once you click on it, if you're using the app, click on Go Check In, and each time you check in, you will earn 1 point daily. Now from here, go to My Profile, and after the page loads, click on the Preferences, choose your preferences and tap on Save. Once you tap on Save, you will earn additional points. Now again, go to Manage My Account option. If the email that is associated with your account is verified, you will earn 100 points. So for that, click on Verify Now option if you haven't already, and a confirmation email will be sent to you. Just simply go ahead and open your Gmail account, then verify your account right over here. And here you can see that I have got 100 points for verifying my email address in my account. So after making the changes, go back, check in, and tap on points, and followed by Go Check In to see your updated points balance. So this was all about it. This is how you can earn points on Shein. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.